Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside right angle drill bit holder, 6-piece set for hard to reach areas, max is 1200 RPM, suitable for all standard hand drills and screwdrivers, and let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. And inside, of course, we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. We've got this handle, you can connect it at the left or at the right. Suitable for all standard hand drills and screwdrivers. And we've got the bits inside, connected here, are magnetic. Nice. And that you can connect it to your cordless screwdriver. Nice, I like it, it feels very nice in my hand. It has a soft grip here. Definitely you can hold it very well and start screwing some screws. Very useful tool if you cannot reach in tight areas. It is a pain in the ass if you cannot do your job, and definitely this tool, it will help you a lot. Well, let's test it and see how it works. Connect the adapter to the chock of your cordless drill, or if you've got this option, remove the chock and connect it directly. Nice. You can connect other bit. We've got this bit extension, larger bit holder, and this. I'm going to connect this Phillips and start with a smaller screw. Let's go to the larger screw. Start with low RPM. Nice. And let's move on in a larger screw, larger length. And there we are, all the way in. Definitely is doing a great job. It is a great tool, and at the right moment you can use it in a tight areas that is hard to reach and do your job. It costs about €6 and I'm sure it will be very helpful at the right moment. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.